Hi there. Welcome to the podcast, The Wow Tales. Wow, Women of Worth. It's on women who have inspiring stories, real women who broke the glass ceiling. This podcast is not only about celebrating their success, it is more about their journeys, their courage, and most importantly, how they changed, how they converted their struggles into strengths. I'm your host, Vatsala Garg, and this space is specially curated for ladies like you. Welcome aboard.
Every woman should actually have faith in her and belief in her own skills,
Yes,
because if you're
absolutely.
not having faith and
Yes,
belief in
who
your
will
skills,
have?
you can't do anything.
You
That
cannot.
is the thing. And second thing is, women are have a lot of the battering of the confidence. So it's too low.
Yes,
And every as we age, every decade, we have our own
yes,
peaks
yes,
and slumps.
yes.
We all I'm in my 40s, so people have started talking about perimenopause and all the stuff,
Everything comes.
that's,
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, I understand. When I reflect back, if I would have wanted to start caking when I'm in 40s, I probably wouldn't have been
Have.
able to do it, because I would be thinking 10 more things than what I was thinking that time.
Mhm.
So, of course, one thing is, never hesitate. Think about your skills, build up your confidence, and I think the biggest breakthrough would be, अगर कुछ नहीं हो तो घर पे भी शुरू कर दो. But try doing that.
Try to
Try
do that.
breaking yourself.
Yes. Hi, all. Today is the very first episode of the podcast, The Wow Tales. And on this special day, because it is International Women's Day, I congratulate all of you, all the ladies who are listening to this podcast, a very happy International Women's Day. And today, I have a guest, a lady who has changed, who has converted her passion into purpose. A clinical psychologist by qualification, she has started her career into writing and into training. But life had different plans. When motherhood demanded a balance between her work and her family, she did not quit. She pivoted from a freelance content writer to founding Caffeinated Conversations, a thriving community of readers, writers, and artists. She created this space, which is a complete true example of creativity thriving and culture brewing. She is a speaker, a writer, a sought after reviewer, a award winner, and a lady who is a true inspiration in herself. Please welcome with me a lady who is backed by wisdom and words, Kavita Jhala. Hi, Kavita.
Hello, Vatsala.
How are you?
I'm good, good.
Thank you for being my guest. Thank you for accepting my invite and to be my first guest. It is really an honor for me. So, जब मैं आपकी बायोग्राफी पढ़ रही थी कविता एंड आई एम जस्ट कटिंग द लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट what caught my attention was clinical psychology.
Mm.
So, clinical psychology, you postgraduate in that. So, what was the little Kavita thinking, dreaming about, how to become, why you want to become a clinical psychologist?
Uh, um, Actually, when we started off as a student or as a person, like our years when we start off, we always talk about our family. So when I say that my family, let me begin from the very beginning. That's I'm born and brought up in Ahmedabad.
Wow. Mhm.
So,
So, you're a
in
Gujarati.
my family, my grandmother used to read a lot of books, a lot of magazines,
Nice.
and I'm more familiar with having 2 3 languages in the family. Like
Okay.
we used to talk in Hindi, Gujarati, but
Yeah,
primarily my parents used to talk with me in English.
English.
But what used to happen was that when I talk about my grandmother, she used to have these books, ladies magazine, Guru Shobha, and all
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
And then, I never used to understand Hindi much, so I would pester my mother. She was a working woman,
Okay.
so like I used to pester her. "Mummy, I don't understand. What is this written? This, that." And then she would like say, "Figure it out on your own. Like
Okay.
have a dictionary or something. Figure it out on your own." That time we didn't have internet or anything
Yes,
of that
yes,
sort.
yes.
So, because I used to hear a lot of Gujarati, this thing. So, what used to happen is that all the Gujarati words I would convert in Hindi, and then try to
Okay,
understand what is written in the whole this thing. And
okay.
they were having this kind of storytelling in cartoonish formats.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Cartoonish this thing. So I used to
Comic
see all the
books.
scenes. Yes,
Hmm.
used to see all the scenes, and then I would figure out, okay,
So you try to understand the psychology behind it,
yes, yes,
and that is how you become a
yes,
clinical psychologist.
yeah.
Great, great. Wow, very inspiring. So, जब आप when you started as a writer, so writing आपकी hobby रही या it became an identity? How it turned into a passion turning into a purpose? What was the reason?
Actually, what I once again go back to the childhood stage. I used to write poems and all, and then my mom would be the अब बच्चे जो छोटे होते तो वो राइमिंग
हाँ,
usually
हाँ,
choose
yes,
to that.
everything should end in a
That is
rhyme.
the typical
हाँ,
stage
yes,
it
yes,
begins.
yes.
So my mom would say, "Ki, what is this? What have you written?" So I'm saying, my name is Kavita, so I should write a poem.
Very true. Wonderful.
So what used to happen is my mom, she's very practical. She's very level-headed. So she was to find that was all this garbage she was writing. Not to,
All mothers are like this.
discourage, but then she was like, "What is this all?"
Yeah.
Because when you're an adult, you can't
Yes.
think of the child
Yes,
stage,
yes, of
right?
course.
So
Very true.
I used to write, and then my aunt one day she just happened to her younger sister. She just happened to come, and she's like, "Well, she's writing on this. You should preserve all these things." Mom is like, "This garbage." But
Okay.
that, I heard that conversation and I was very small that time. But then I started writing, and then my mom also reflected that, no, why am I discouraging her? So she
Okay.
also started encouraging me. She started saying, "Ki, if you have something in your textbook, which is poetry, different kinds of poems, try to explore those
Okay.
things." That
Wow.
is how,
Hmm.
no, something like a hobby. I always wanted to do this thing. Join Micah. Micah in
Yes.
Ahmedabad was one of the
Ahmedabad.
most
Yeah,
famous
yeah, yeah.
thing.
Very
The
premier.
only thing that time was I was in Ahmedabad only, and there are certain rules, you have to be a boarder over there and all that.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I was not too much ready for that. Now
Okay.
the world has changed too much. So I took up psychology.
Okay.
I majored in that, and then I thought, no, with psychology, maybe the human perspective, the human nuances of writing, maybe that could help me.
Yes.
And then with the job that I had, I was into education with the
Okay.
University of Cambridge,
Wow.
and just opposite my office there was a designer's office. His office is there still even today. So he used to tinker, so sometimes I used to just go because I used to love writing and advertising and all that. So I used to just go, and sometimes I would drop a bomb to him. Yeah, I would say, why didn't you write something like this? Why didn't you write something like that? And he used to like, how do you get these ideas from?
Wow. Hmm.
And that is where in the year 2005, I had joined my office. So by 2006, in a year, he got the idea that, okay, this
So
girl is
Kavita
into
is
this.
emerging.
So that is how, I used to just help him that time.
Okay.
So you can say it was not a hobby, but it was something like getting the feel of the,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
advertising world and
Yeah.
all that. So, and that, thanks to that person, Mr. Mayur Patel of Brim, I
Okay.
got a whole, kind of
A
master
love for
class,
it.
okay, this happens, production happens, that all. That is
Yeah,
where my
that is
journey actually
intriguing.
began.
Yes, yes.
Professionally, it started from 2011
Okay,
when, I took a break from my job because I was on a family way. And then, I started off, as a freelancer.
okay.
That's how from hobby
Wow.
to
That
getting
is what
into
I am
it.
saying,
Yes.
that from a passion it turned into your purpose. And then you got married, and when motherhood strike, like, so I think you took a break or you simply pivoted. क्या किया आपने, मतलब convert किया आपके, because you were a full-time writer in that time.
Yes, yes.
So you were a freelance writer, or were you working with some
Mhm.
company? What you were doing? You were doing freelancing till that time, 2011 you were doing freelancing, right?
Yeah.
And उसके बाद you started this caffeinated conversations. When did it started? Caffeinated.
Okay, so what happened was that when I was already into freelance writing and all this stuff, and then I happened to have a dip into entrepreneurship as a leader of Ichai Ventures, which is
Okay.
also based in Ahmedabad.
Yes, yes.
The founder of Ichai Ventures, Jatin, we had some talk, and then I started off with the entrepreneurship angle of it in Indore from 2015. Okay,
Okay.
so that's within the whole year when I started interacting with a lot of people in Indore. And actually, I came to Indore because I got married. So I came over here, and then I was totally new to the whole scene of all the people. I didn't know anybody except my own immediate family. So when I started talking with a lot of people outside of the
Hmm.
home setup
Hmm.
through entrepreneurship, through each eye, that is when I started hearing a lot of people, they used to talk about business books and all that, and then we used to share recommendations and all that. I
Okay.
found a very peculiar gap
Okay.
that
Wow.
people were reading, but
Hmm.
they were not interacting with anybody. Okay,
Okay.
that was
Okay.
really like how many book Badly. I read a book and then I'm not skipping it one
Yeah.
side. So I felt that technically everybody started believing that people who read books are loners, they are introverts.
Yes.
That's the whole
Absolutely.
misconception
Yes.
started.
Yes.
So I
Very true.
wanted to break that myth.
Hmm.
I wanted to merge that gap.
Hmm.
So that is
Wow.
where I started off, with a WhatsApp group, very simple WhatsApp
Acha.
group.
All right.
And then I said, no, I want to do this and I want to do it properly. And I
You
want
wanted to
to,
give it more structure.
yes. So
Okay.
that is, and I love coffee. So caffeinated conversations.
Wow.
That's how I know
बट
WhatsApp
दिस इज अ
group.
ब्यूटीफुल नेम आई मीन जब मैंने पहली बार सुना ऑनेस्टली मुझे लगा कि इट इज सम काइंड ऑफ अ कैफे because you know a conversation happening over coffee, so you have named it caffeinated conversations. Then I thought कि कोई book reading club है, and finally I came to know कि it is a community of readers and writers, and I was like wow, this is absolutely
Yeah.
profound. So जब आप व्हेन यू वर लाइक नेविगेटिंग योर जर्नी एज अ राइटर,
Mhm.
तो कभी किसी ने ये नहीं बोला कि राइटिंग से यू कैन नॉट अर्न, यू इट कैन नॉट बी अ प्रोफेशन? बिकॉज सी आई ऑल्सो बिलोंग टू द सेम स्ट्राटा, आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ राइटर, और मैंने ये सब बहुत सुना है कि राइटिंग करती हो तो ठीक है, पर करती क्या हो, आई मीन हाउ यू अर्न? तो आपके संग ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि ऐसा किसी ने पूछा हो, या बहुत बिलीव नहीं हुआ हो कि पास टाइम है ये, तो ऐसा आपके संग नहीं हुआ कभी?
Actually, there is this whole saying that in life when you just focus only on money, no, that is a part wherein you have a poverty of ideas. Okay, but when you're having so much full of ideas, when you have a solution for it, then you should actually go for it rather than just thinking about money alone. Okay. I think Barack Obama actually talked something about it, like
Okay.
just chasing the money as a core part of your life, it doesn't make sense.
Very true.
And if you're just chasing money, you're a business person.
Yeah.
But when you're
You should chase
chasing
the excellence. Yes, you
something that
should
you want to
chase
solve,
dreams.
entrepreneur,
Yeah.
I think I'm the other
So
latter.
you are a true example of an entrepreneur because you thought to solve a problem, to bridge a gap.
Yes.
So you started some subscription of books. So what was that? क्या था वो सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल? क्या था कैफिनेटेड का?
Yeah.
क्या था वो मॉडल?
Okay. So what happened is when I started off with caffeinated conversation in 2016 of
Okay.
April 10th of April,
Okay.
I started it off, and of course it was going well. Everybody was connected on Instagram, WhatsApp, and all that. But then I started realizing is that this whole reading atmosphere, when you buy a book from Amazon or Flipkart, earlier they used to give some bookmarks or something
Yes.
witty and all that. They had stopped doing that, and then I found it really very boring. I mean, I read on Amazon that okay, this book is available. I read the blurb and I just ordered it, but that's all. I didn't feel complete. I didn't feel
Mm.
fulfilled.
Wow.
And that is where, thanks to Amazon, I started thinking that how do I make my own reading experience better? So that is when I started off with a subscription model,
Wow.
wherein with this whole theme based each month. For
Okay.
example, when you're talking about March,
Hmm.
International Women's Day,
Hmm.
so we are also talking about women oriented authors, like
Okay.
authors, men or
Okay.
women, but they
Hmm.
write about women as
Hmm.
stories
Hmm.
tellers.
Hmm.
Second part is women as authors themselves.
Okay.
So there are different themes according to different geographical areas of the country.
Okay.
So that is when I thought, okay, why don't I nitpick on this, very
Hmm.
nuanced aspects about themes and then put all of that into the merchandise
Together.
of his books.
Wow.
And I tried and chased books which were, good literature, not just popular ones.
Yes, yes. So books, I mean, your entire career, or maybe your life, your journey moves around books,
Yes.
reading. So are you doing it till date? I mean, reading abhi bhi kar rahe hain aap. So what is the book that you're reading right now? Any book that you want to share with my audience, which is something like your holy grail, that your go-to book, any book.
See, but regarding books, what I have noticed is that a lot of people actually, I mean, there is whole new controversy about
Yes,
Indian readers
yes.
by the Guardian and all of that, and uh, there are a lot of people who are defending it, but a lot of people who are, in favor of it. While literature festivals and all that, and gaining a lot of popularity, I still believe that we have all been through ups and downs in readership
Yes,
over the period of
of
time,
course.
right?
Mm.
Because when I began with the thing reading and all that, our subscription model was also introduced, and there was this demonetization also
Yes.
during that time. So a lot of
Oh,
struggles were there.
okay.
Still, readers were ready to read because that time we were economically not so shaken.
Okay.
We were good in
True.
an economical, see, because when reading also depends on how you
Hmm.
are also
Hmm.
far faring forward as
Hmm.
far as your own
Hmm.
money and payments and all that is concerned. And then COVID happened and there was a huge surge
Hmm.
actually because people
हाँ, because
suddenly
people
were
were idle
ready.
that time.
अरे
Yeah.
मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं
हाँ,
है
कुछ भी नहीं है करने
बुक
का.
पढ़ो
बुक ही पढ़ो. सही
that
बात.
way. So there was a huge spike,
Wow.
and I was in my village, and the postman was literally, busy.
अच्छा.
Madam, मैं तो इधर ही बैठ जाता हूँ that time.
How nice.
Because I have never ever had so many orders to dispatch or get. That was really, we was having a lovely time.
Very true.
After COVID, when the whole economy, everybody had to start back from
Started
the
again.
scratch, is when the reading has declined completely.
अच्छा. Okay.
Now it is slowly trying to gain its
Okay.
footing,
Okay.
but again the problem of uh, prices of books and all that
Yes.
having rise. So once again, it is
Yes.
impacting the
Hmm.
viewership.
Hmm.
So a lot of these challenges, as a founder of Caffeinated Conversation, it means that I have to think about readers, their
Yes.
ability to read, the
Yes.
economics of how
Hmm.
much the subscription
Yes.
book box has to be, how
Cost.
much I reduce or
Hmm.
increase the
Hmm.
number of items. It makes a huge impact, and
Yes.
that's a challenge that I think every business person or entrepreneur has
They
to
face.
undergo.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
but the beauty of it is that you try to find out meaningful ways to engage the reader.
Yes.
So that is how when I also have meetups, I have
Wow.
workshops, we have casual meets also, so that readers of all kinds across all economic
Hmm.
wavelengths,
Hmm.
all of them are included,
Hmm.
because I don't want any reader to be left out.
Okay. So, caffeinated conversation is basically a community. So, family का क्या response था? I mean, were they able to understand कि आप क्या कर रहे हो? Because क्या होता है families में ऐसा होता है कि
Mm.
उनको ये समझ नहीं पड़ता है कर क्या रही है, करती क्या है.
Mm.
So, were they supportive of you? I mean, उन लोग का क्या response था? Husband.
My parents actually, they, I would say that they give me wings, but my in-laws, they have given me that wind to, okay, you
अरे
go
वाह! Very
that
nice.
way. They are not into books,
Okay.
except for my one of my brother-in-law. He's into books and the youngest, but he reads sporadically,
Occasionally. हाँ.
occasionally like that.
Hmm.
But my in-laws, for them, it is like, हाँ पढ़ाई कर ली हो गया. That's the only thing. But I have the support of them. They don't understand what I'm doing, because the intricacies they don't know. They know that I'm doing something related to books, but they are saying do whatever you want to do.
Perfect.
I belong to a Rajput community which
हाँ,
is
I
very
was about to come
conservative.
on
Yeah.
this.
And we are always,
Yeah.
saying good
हाँ,
about the, uh,
हाँ.
and I belong to Narva state. So we
Okay.
have typical systems of, gathering women one place, men one place,
Okay.
that way.
Hmm.
And in that, when I move out talking to
Yes.
people, it is a
It's a
huge shift for them
paradigm shift.
also.
Yes.
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 And I'm the first daughter-in-law from, who had a graduation, double graduation.
Okay.
I've done my, a master's. I am, academically very much,
Very much
ahead.
inclined, huh?
So, despite all that, I don't know, they must have had a lot of
Yeah.
questions in their mind
Yeah, they
also.
must.
But I was the first to do a job,
Wow.
first to do something of my own. So that first thing is a huge challenge for anybody who's trying to
Yes.
break that the
Yes.
thing ceiling, that break that
Yes.
impact.
Yes.
And then later on, when the
They
others who
followed.
follow, they
हाँ.
find it a bit easier.
It's
It's not
easy.
easy for
Yes.
them also,
Yes.
but थोड़ा
हाँ, थोड़ी एक एक लीवे मिल जाती है
हाँ
कि
हाँ
हाँ, देयर इज़ ऑलरेडी अ पाथ व्हिच इज़ चार्टेड आउट एंड यू जस्ट स्टार्टिंग
yes yes.
traveled on it. So, I think you actually broke the glass ceiling because what you are saying, a Rajput family and somebody, लेकिन अगर वो उतना समझ रहे हैं, उतना सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक इट इज़ लाइक हाफ द बैटल वन। इतना भी हो रहा है तो दिस इज़ अ ट्रू इंस्पिरेशन एंड एग्जाम्पल फॉर अदर हु आर लिसनिंग टू आवर पॉडकास्ट। जो ये देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, उनके लिए भी ये एक बहुत अच्छा है। और कैफिनेटेड कॉन्वर्सेशंस के साथ साथ यू वर डूइंग समथिंग।
Um, Along with caffeinated conversations are what I have always been doing, freelance content
ओके।
writing and all that stuff.
ओके।
And then I'm always also thinking of having a book cafe or something, which is my
वाओ, सेम
future prospect.
हियर।
But I don't know. But apart from that, I am also into writing my books. I have left several drafts, but none of
ओह,
them have been published except for one, which was published on Kindle, which is about design thinking.
या।
So I wrote that book way back when design thinking was not even popular in India.
ओके।
But and the book is very simple, and it's a Kindle edition, but it's very simple, and it talks about design thinking in perspective of just starting off.
ओके।
How do you understand design
व्हाट इज,
thinking in
हाँ।
that way?
हम्म।
But so right now, my one of my draft is now undergoing to the editing part and all that. So I hope I'll be able to push it
यस।
out for all the readers by maybe next year or something. So, yes, creative aspects of writing, content writing, caffeinated conversations, everything is, somehow
ऑल इन
related
टू
to
वन।
words, literature, and all that.
यस। यस।
And apart from that, and then managing the family and all, so it's a some people tell me that, you are a superwoman, so I tell them, no,
No.
please don't give me
Please
that.
don't give. Yeah, same here.
Because now, when you are appreciated for what you're doing, I think that is more than enough. Giving a label of a superwoman, actually, what
It comes
happens
with a
is that
lot of pressure
Ye-
also,
yes,
yes.
it makes you feel
And
you're a
why to
burden.
be? Why to be a superwoman? Why to be a multitasker?
Hmm.
Why can't we just be focused on what we like, or maybe something which is like हमारी हॉबी है या कुछ है? हम क्यों इतना टैग करते हैं विमेन को कि शी इज अ विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर और शी इज अ बेकर टर्न बैंकर? ऐसा मैंने बहुत कुछ सुना है। तो व्हाई वी टैग? आई मीन, आई एम आल्सो ऑफ द सेम थॉट दैट यू आर कि वी शुड नॉट टैग विमेन एज, वी शुड गिव देम सो मच फ्रीडम कि करने दो वो जो करना चाह रही हैं। एंड आई थिंक आप उनका उसका एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है। बिकॉज क्या होता है कविता, व्हाट ऑल अ वुमेन कैन थिंक इज एक जॉब कर लेना या सिंपली वही बुटीक्स या पार्लर्स या ऐसा कुछ, विच मेक्स देम मेक मनी। बट आपने जो किया वो आपने कम्युनिटी बिल्ड करी। अब कम्युनिटी बिल्ड करना इज आई थिंक ज़्यादा टफ है एक स्टार्टअप बिल्ड करने से। बिकॉज कम्युनिटी में पीपल नीड टू हैव ट्रस्ट ऑन यू एंड इट टेक्स अ लॉन्ग टाइम। एंड आपकी पोजिशनिंग अलग है और आपका गोल अलग है। Your goal
Yeah.
is to make others read, others get engaged in that, and that is like awesome. मतलब ये चीज एक बहुत ही अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है आपका. So caffeinated conversations is running till now, is it? अभी भी you are running caffeinated conversations?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And apart from that, you were also involved in some kind of social media, I guess.
Yeah, to managing social media and all that. So, like I'm playing part of one of the branding agencies and all.
Okay.
So basically, I'm kind of giving up all my services in related to writing and all that. So yes,
Okay.
it's
Yeah. So, what would be your one piece of advice to women who are like watching this podcast, या to somebody who is a friend of yours? एक piece of advice आपको क्या लगता है women should pursue?
uh, anything that they would be benefiting from.
Okay. Yes. To be
I think.
selfish. To be a little selfish. I think yes, that is how women should, they should focus on themselves because every change begins with ourselves. So I think आप जो बोल रहे हो कि they should benefit. That is being selfish.
Hmm.
So I think that is one message from this podcast. And एक और piece of advice for the thriving writers or readers, what would that be? आप क्या advice देना चाहेंगे?
Well, I would say that when we are now at age where a lot of information has been put forward,
Yes.
a lot of people are coming forward talking about their thoughts and beliefs and all that, and that is where I feel that enough has been said enough about a lot of things.
Yeah.
But then I also feel that people out there, women out there who are sitting, who are having some ideas or something, um, the hesitancy part of it, that is something that has to be really worked on. Because in my whole journey that has been there since I think 2015, I have met a lot of women out there who have had amazing ideas,
Yes.
and then they have been like always have been hesitant because of family
Mm.
kind of support or set up partial support or something, whatever.
Mm.
A lot of dynamics are also
Yes.
involved. And so basically, I want that every woman should actually have faith in her and belief in her own skills.
Yes.
Because if you're
Absolutely.
not having faith,
Yes.
belief in
Who
your
will
skills,
have?
you can't do anything.
You cannot.
That is the thing. And second thing is, women are have a lot of the battering of the confidence. So it's too low.
Yes.
And every as we age, every decade, we have our own
Yes.
peaks
Yes.
and slumps.
Yes.
We all I'm in my 40s, so people have started talking about perimenopause and all
Ah,
this stuff,
everything comes.
that's,
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, I understand when I reflect back. If I would have wanted to start caking when I'm in 40s, I probably wouldn't have been
Have.
able to do it because I would be thinking 10 more things than what I was thinking that time.
Mm.
So, of course, one thing is never hesitate. Think about your skills, build up your confidence, and I think the biggest breakthrough would be अगर कुछ नहीं हो तो घर पे भी शुरू कर दो. But try doing that.
Try to
Try
do that.
breaking yourself
Yes.
from
Yes.
that mold,
Huh.
because I have seen lot of brilliant minds, but they are so hesitant to
Yes.
even move out
Yes. Yes.
also.
And I think there is no age also. आई मीन कई बार लेडीज़ को ये भी बोलते सुना है कि अब तो आप जैसा बोल रहे हैं कि अब तो 40 पार हो गए, 50 पार हो गए. आई थिंक ये भी एक ग्लास सीलिंग है जिसको द लेडीज नीड टू ब्रेक. सो कविता, एज वी कम टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ आवर पॉडकास्ट, द वन थिंग आई एम क्यूरियस अबाउट इज योर अवार्ड्स, because in your biography you have mentioned so many awards and so many speaking opportunities. So how, I mean, कैसे ये awards आपको किस तरीके से मिले? You were nominated, you self nominated, how it was?
See, getting the award, of course, it is one would really
Yes,
like to be
right.
appreciated. That is the thing. But
Everyone.
then, yeah, I each of my award I have dedicated to each of my members.
Okay.
5,000 plus members we have
Okay.
online, offline, and each of them have been so wonderful. And it is not, see, what happens is people always think that okay, the founder is only making the digital. That is not there, because we are a whole community, so we all pitch in our ideas.
Okay.
And that is when I am growing, they're also growing.
Yes,
And that is one of the
true.
most beautiful things, you know. Like I sometimes they put in the nomination, sometimes I put in. And why I want that is because in the field of literature, recognition is very less, very rare, very much few.
Yeah.
And it's about, you know, it's a kind of a positive affirmation to yourself that yes, you can do it. And I am going to be a person who's going to be a magnet for people to
Yes.
come down, be comfortable,
Yes.
read books, talk about books, connect with people who are thinking about writing. Because real renaissance is not in a movement, it is in happens in mind first. You are thinking some thought or idea, just gives you that kind of spark for freedom. So that's a real renaissance. And I think if I'm able to have even one a person who says I don't like books, to bringing them to I'm liking
Yes,
books,
yes.
I think
That
I'm
is the
achieved
biggest.
good. So
I think,
irrespective of the awards and all that, the small little achievements of mine is something
it
that I
adds up.
always cherish.
And I think आपका your thought कि when I grow the community grows is awesome. मतलब ये it's the center point, it's the pivot of this entire podcast. So Kavita, as we come towards the end of the podcast, anything that you want to leave your readers, how they can reach you, how they can know more about Caffeinated Conversations, is there an Insta page, their website? Please share.
Okay. One thing that I would want to share with everyone is particularly that you have to learn to differentiate between uh, gathering information or being, content users. You know, just doom scrolling or something. It's good. It's nice.
It's good.
I mean,
Yeah,
even I'm part
everyone,
of it.
huh?
Sometimes even
Everyone
I do that, you know, just to relax. I don't want
Yes.
to,
You
make
just want
my.
to be under in your own cocoon,
Yes, yes.
then it's good.
Yes, real actual information is to be gleaned from books. And why? Because your mind is active. The
Yes, when you
neural
read.
pathways are making connections because you're reading words which are probably you are very used to them. Some word might pop up which you're not used to. So that sparks some kind of a this thing in the brain that okay, yes, I don't know this word. I want to know the meaning of it. That is why we need people to read. I mean, I'm not asking for 100 hours from you. I'm just
Yes,
asking
20
10 minutes
minutes.
of your day, maybe before
10, 20
sleeping, or
minutes.
probably when you get up from sleep and you just want to relax. You are reading a page or two and you're starting off your day. So kindly do it because we all are not actually dumbing down with all the information.
Yes.
So instead of just dumbing down, I think we have to go ahead, move forward,
Yes.
AI or not.
So audience who are watching, they can follow your Insta page, right? For any
Yeah.
update. And do you have any website address, or if somebody wants to reach out to Kavita Singh, any
Yeah.
email or anything that you can
Okay.
share
Uh,
publicly?
yes, yes. We are on Facebook. We are on WhatsApp. I have my own Instagram page also.
Great.
So I would want the people they can just type in caffeinated conversation and
Okay.
then they can
And they will.
definitely be
All
in touch.
right.
Our website is undergoing a lot of
That's
revision.
okay. That's
I think
okay.
that would
Hmm.
be, should
Huh,
be
because maybe
done by
after this
end of the month.
podcast, a lot
Yes.
of people might be, interested in at least being the part of a community and they wanted to reach you.
Yes.
So I think we can also mention this
Yes.
in our YouTube description, and I'll share your number of your WhatsApp community.
Yes.
So, Kavita, this brings us to the end of the podcast.
Okay.
Thank you for being a wonderful guest. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.